The Ministry of Agriculture and Lands, Forestry and Marine Resources is set to receive a fully operational tissue culture laboratory thanks to the generous donation from the People's Republic of China. The construction of the lab will be undertaken by a Chinese construction company with the anticipated start date set for August 2024. This development is expected to enhance Grenada's agricultural capabilities and contribute to the export potential of crops such as dasheen and ornamentals. Chinese Ambassador His Excellency Wei Hongtian confirmed the construction of the facility at Mirabeau propagation station during a recent meeting with Minister of Agriculture and Lands, Forestry and Marine Resources, Lennox Andrews, and his technical team at the Chinese agricultural farm in Lassages, St. David.
The tissue culture laboratory at Mirabeau is extremely important. And I would like for us to put things in place to implement or to construct that tissue culture laboratory by the end of the year, or before the end of the year. It would be good to have the tissue culture laboratory constructed.
Yes. That was Minister for Agriculture Lennox Andrew. The Grenada Tissue Culture Laboratory was last active in 2009 at the T.A. Marichaud Community College campus and played a crucial role in the micropropagation of disease-free economic crops such as bananas, ornamentals, root crops, and pineapples. Head of the Agronomy Division and manager of the Mirabeau Propagation Station, Alison Haynes, said the new lab will support mass production and facilitate export.
We would not be able to only propagate the tree crops as we do now, but we'll be able to better manage the spread of diseases, because we do have, we see higher incidence of pest and disease in the root crops. And so we'll be able to propagate these root crops and ensure that the farmers get them in large volumes to plant at the beginning of the season. Right now, in Grenada, we are importing a lot of dasheen and tanya and all these things from St. Vincent because our greatest limitation is planting material. So if we're able to mass produce the planting material here, we'll be able to increase our production and then regain our export market, because we used to export the dasheen.
Haynes pointed out the significance of being able to propagate ornamentals, leading to a decrease in the importation costs.
Depend heavily on the private, what do you call them? Growers, horticulturists, to bring in, import the flowers, which is very costly to them. So with the tissue culture lab, we'll be able to bring in these high value flowers and maintain them here so that we can propagate and continue to provide to our farmers. So the tissue culture lab, I can't emphasize how important it is for us for food security, increasing our ornamental sector, improving that. And
Christina John, GBN News.